Hello fellow educators, I am Teacher Nan and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share to you basic tips and ideas on how to accomplish our school form 8 even if it's not automated. First, all we have to do is to put the necessary information needed in the form like the school name, district, division, the region, school ID, the grade level, the section, the track or strand if it's senior high school, and the school year, the LRN of our pupils, the learner's name, the birth date, the age, the weight of our pupils in kilograms, the height in meters, the height meter squared. And how to do this one? All we have to do is to square the height in meters. It means we are going to multiply 1.5 by 1.5. It will give us an answer of 2.25 as our height in meters squared. For the BMI, all we have to do is to divide the weight in kilograms, which is 45, divided by height in meters squared, which is 2.5. It will give us an answer of 20 BMI. For the BMI category, all you have to do is to click this link here and it will automatically direct you to the website where you are going to do the calculations. And for the height for age, all you have to do is to click these two links here for the boys and for the girls, and it will automatically direct you to the website where you are going to do the calculations. After that, whatever the answer will be, all you have to do is to copy it here. But if you have this automated school form 8 template, there is no need for you to do the things that I've said a while ago. All you have to do is to put all the necessary information needed in the input data, and that information will automatically reflect to the school form 8 that we have. So let's try. As you have noticed, nagka-calculate po ang ating input data. And as I said, this information here will reflect to the school form 8 that we have. So let's try to look at it. So this is now our school form 8. As you have noticed, the input data that we have ay nagre-reflect dito. So what we are going to do right now is to put the LRN of our pupils here. So that's it. Please do not forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. If you wish to have a copy of this, please do not forget to comment your DepEd email in the comment section.